Hey guys, a lot of us want that old two-stick look in our trucks. Let's take just a minute to talk about our auxiliary stick options here at 4 State Trucks. For about 10 years, we've had our auxiliary shifter, like so. But it only performed one function. Most guys would use it to go from direct to overdrive. Now let's go take a look at the new and improved version. While our original auxiliary shifter was cool in its own right, this new one that is designed and built right here at 4 State Trucks, built by the Boyz, is way cooler because it's got two functions. So rather than have to have the auxiliary shifter for direct and overdrive, and then you'd have to have an air toggle or air switch for low to direct, now you can do it all with one auxiliary shifter. So you can use one split for low and direct, and then you just move it to the left or right, and the other split can be direct and overdrive. Everything's handled, both splitter functions, with one shifter.